All right, now mama, this is week 2 of our postpartum rebuild, our confident strut. We're just going to add on a few more moves, but we're still going to keep it simple. We're going to strut and reconnect with our body, okay? It's important that we're boosting our confidence. Let's start with a sway and sway. 6, 7, 8, sway. Good job. I'm engaging my core and sway. Just like we did when we were breathing. Good job, mama. Sway. Let's go into our strut. Hey. Engage that core. Keep them arms swinging. There we go. Let's go ahead and turn to the side. 1. Keep them shoulders down. Keep that posture stacked. Good job. Turn to the back. To the side. Good job, mama. Let's do some knee touches. Up. Right here. I'm adding just a little bounce, but you don't have to. You can come right here with it and keep it stiff if that's all you got. If you're ready, give me a bounce. My core is still engaged. Okay? Good job. Let me get 2 more. And 1. Good job, mama. Not too much. Right here with it. Let's go back into our strut. Keep that core engaged. Keep your posture stacked. Shoulders down. Breathing through your chest. Just like we want. There we go. Let's do cha-cha. Right foot. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. And forward. Switch legs. Left. Good job, mama. Give me a stretch. We're going to end up with hip dip. 8 around and 5. 6, 5, 6, 7, and down. 2, 3, 4. Engage that core. Last time, down. Good job, mama. Clap it up for yourself. Good job. Listen, this was just a step up from last week. So amazing job to you. If any of those moves feel like it was too much, or if you feel like you're hurting afterwards, then that means that you maybe did a little too much for where you are right now. Just adjust and maybe just come in and strut with us. Okay, just strut to the song. But that's how we're able to tell. Sometimes we feel like we're ready, and then afterwards we feel like something was hurting or in the wrong place. As postpartum mommies, we have to pay attention to that, okay? But go ahead and clap it up for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Amazing job, mama. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my song, okay? And I hope that you enjoyed it just as much as me. So before you go, I want to leave you with a nugget. When we have a child, we lose just a little piece of our old selves, and it continues to happen the more you have children. And sometimes we grieve our old selves if we're not fully okay with where we are after we have the child. And I just want to remind you that confidence boosters like these are super important. Swaying those hips, moving those arms, feeling beautiful, when you get your hair done, putting on clothes, all those little moments amount to a large impact on our self-esteem and our confidence, especially during postpartum. So mama, you did something huge today for yourself. Like I say, I hope that you enjoyed it. When you're doing this video, because I know you're going to do it again, make sure you're swaying those hips even more, moving those arms, moving that head around, just feeling like that girl, okay? Because that's what's going to reconnect us back to our bodies and just figure out who we are today, okay? So I love you. I hope you have an amazing night, morning, day, wherever you are. Enjoy yourself.